a gang leader, he shoot 3 people die for afternoon crow. He said because they use a gun to go carry out armed robbery operation. The guy say anybody went try and next time go see hot. So he was say that one na example to others.
Oh.
2 of the guys handcuffed they had and they were only like boxers. The other one wear.
Oh, they handcuffed them.
He handcuffed 2 together. Then the other one just stand. He shoot them with an AK-47 for that matter. Now the guy he blast them.
As our life becomes so chicken-like or cockroach-like, that you can kill and feel you are not feeling remorse.
They don't legalize gun because if one person do pium nang talk one rubbish against government, they go use IP, they find now go see them for wherever it is. Now these people have been carrying gun in blood daylight with a camera and nobody have looked for them.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.